How to track a RIA money transfer. If you've recently sent or are expecting a RIA money transfer, you might be wondering, how can I check the status or has the money arrived yet? In today's video, we're going to walk you through on how to track a RIA transfer step by step. Whether you're the sender or receiver, we'll also cover common issues, delays, and what you can do if something goes wrong. And so let's get started. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, why tracking matters. Money transfers are a lifeline for many people around the world. Whether you're helping family back home or sending money for business, but once the money is sent, the big question is always, where is it? It been picked up? What was it deposited yet? RIA makes tracking easy, but you need to know where to look and what to expect at each step. That's exactly what we'll cover today. Now, what you need to track a RIA transfer. Before you begin tracking, you want to make sure that you have the order number or PIN, the sender's full name, the receiver's full name, and the amount sent. If you're the sender, you'll receive a tracking number or MTCN or PIN after completing the transaction. And if you're the recipient, you want to ask the sender to provide that number, which is the PIN number. This is essential for checking the status of the money. Now, if we are tracking as a sender, here's what we need to do. If you're the person who sent the money, here's how to check the status. First things first, you want to navigate through riamoneytransfer.com. From here, you then want to simply log in your account, and once inside their homepage, you want to click on track a transfer. Once inside, you then want to simply put your order number or your PIN number. From there, you'll see the status of in progress, that money hasn't arrived yet. If it's ready for pickup for cash transfers, if it's deposited, it's for bank transfers, and if it's been completed or collected, the recipient has received the funds. You can also use the RIA mobile application available on iOS and Android to do the same thing. Now, as a bonus tip, RIA sends email or SMS updates as the status changes. Now, if you are tracking as a recipient without an account, if you're receiving money and don't have a RIA account, no worries, here's what to do. First things first, once again, head over to riamoneytransfers.com. From there, you then want to click on the transfer or track a transfer on the homepage. Once again, you must go ahead and do the same thing, which is to enter the PIN or order number. You want to make sure that you ask this number from the receiver, or the sender of the money. Now, once again, you'll see the current status. If it's sent, it means that the money has been dispatched. If it's ready for pickup, you want to go to the nearest agent. If it's deposited, it's already into your bank. And if it's been collected, it means that you already pick it up. No need to sign it or log in. Once again, you just need the PIN or the last name. That is enough. Now, understanding the tracking statuses. Let's quickly explain what each tracking status means. If it's pending or processing, it means that the payment is still being processed. Could be due to bank or verification delays. If it's in transit, the money is on the way to the delivery method. If it's ready for pickup, it means that the money is available at an agent location. If it's deposited, it means that the funds have been sent to the recipient's bank. If it's collected, it means that the receiver picked up the money, and if it's been cancelled, it means that the transfer was stopped, usually by the sender or due to an issue. And we have another one called refunded. It means that the money was returned to the seller. Now, how long does it usually takes for the delivery time? Now, typical delivery times for RIA transfers. For cash pickups, it's often ready in minutes. For bank deposits, it's usually 1 to 4 business days depending on the country or bank. For mobile wallet, it's often within a few minutes to an hour, and for home delivery, it can take 1 to 3 days before or depending on your location. If it's taking longer than expected, tracking can help identify where the delay is happening. Now, let's talk about some common problems and what to do. Let's talk about some common issues users face while tracking. Now, if there's no status update, you want to double check the PIN or tracking number. You then want to wait for a few hours, and sometimes updates are delayed. Now, if the money has not arrived, it if it hasn't been more than 4 business days, you want to contact RIA support immediately. You want to ask the sender to verify the receiver's money, name, account details, and delivery method. Now, if the transfer is cancelled, this could happen due to ID mismatch, incorrect bank details, or policy violation. Sender will usually be refunded automatically if this occurs, the transfer cancelled. And lastly, if the receiver can pick up. You want to ensure that the receiver has a valid government issued ID and the exact name matches on the name that you entered on RIA money transfers. Some countries require extra documents, so check local agent requirements. Now, tips to track efficiently. To make the tracking process smooth, here are some few tips. You always want to double check spelling of the names and details. You want to share the PIN securely, don't send it over public messages. If you're using a bank transfer, monitor both RIA and the recipient's bank account. You want to use mobile application for real-time updates and notification. You want to keep receipts or emails because they contain your order number and customer support contact. Now, when to go ahead and contact RIA support. If your transfer is stuck or there's a problem that you can fix, you want to contact RIA. Call their customer support hotline listed on their official website. You want to use live chat in the application or email them directly with your order number, full name, and issue. Their team is usually responsive and can help track or resolve problems fast. So, tracking a RIA transfer in today's day is pretty straightforward. Whether you're the sender or the receiver, just grab the order number or PIN, head to their official website or application, and follow the steps. RIA's system is designed to keep you updated, but if anything goes wrong, you've got option to fix it. Now, if this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorial and money transfer tips. If this guide helped you out, please follow us for more videos like this. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, in the comments, you want to let me know, have you ever had a delay in RIA transfer? What happened and how do you fix it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.